Hello folks, welcome to Canal Channel Jose. Today we're going to show you how to remove a O2 sensor on a 91 to 94 Toyota Tercel. And for that, you want to do is disconnect your sensor first, and then you want to do this while the engine is cool, not hot. And you're going to have to remove these two nuts, this one and the bottom end of the sensor, and there are 12 millimeter radiators right about here. Be careful not to bend your radiator fins. Job of this piece is to control, this reads the mixture of fuel and oxygen coming out of the engine once it's burned. So if this guy is not reading correctly, your engine just gonna inject more fuel and it's gonna start using more gasoline to drive around. So this guy's job is just to tell the computer what's going on in the exhaust system. So if the computer can inject fuel and the gas in the cylinder and it'll come out this side once it's burned, but if too much is going in and this guy is not reading it, then you're gonna keep using more gasoline than what is normal use. So this guy's job is to find out what's going on once all the fuel and air are burned in the cylinder and are going in the exhaust system. So this guy is reading the outgoing, so this guy tells the computer, hey, we need less fuel or we need more fuel. So this guy's job is to tell how much the computer should be injecting fuel into the cylinders or to the engine. So this is if this guy is not doing his job, you're gonna be spending a lot of gas in your car. So now you get a new one and we install it. We put our nut. So now we have a fresh O2 sensor in the engine and we connected it, and then we're ready to drive our car with a fresh O2 sensor, which is gonna start saving us fuel. With a new O2 sensor, we're gonna start saving fuel, and believe it or not, this component is really important that is working properly, because if that, like I said, if that's not working properly, you're gonna be using a lot of fuel, because the outgoing fumes are gonna be reading a lot of gasoline, but the O2 sensor is not working properly, so it's not going to be able to tell the computer, hey, we got too much gas going out of the exhaust, so you need to lower the mixture of fuel and put more air into it. So that's the job of this O2 sensor. So if that's not happening, and you might get a check engine, and if that guy you don't replace it, you're starting to use a lot of gas, and that plus you're gonna have a raw fuel smell on the exhaust on your car.